Hey guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a two-parter. We're going to have barbecue beef ribs in the oven, and I'm also going to pick scalloped potatoes from scratch. So first thing I'm going to start with is I bought this beef rib rack at Walmart. It's a little over 3 pounds. No, it's 2¼ pounds. And I'm going to get up here, and I've already got my pans prepared. But I'm going to go out up here and open this up and get this ready, and then put my little rub on it. First, I want to welcome y'all to my channel. If you're new here, please take a look around at my other videos. I do a lot of southern cooking, but I don't limit myself to that. And I think my instructions are for everybody, all levels of cooks. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family, and don't forget to hit the ring the bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm putting these on 2 pans. First thing you want to do is I did preheat my oven to 350. So all I'm going to do for my rub is I'm just doing salt and pepper and garlic. Granulated garlic, because all my flavor is going to be in my barbecue sauce, which it's not homemade, sorry. Alright. Don't be stingy. Now let's see if I can get this to come out. Probably not. So we'll do it this way. Well, that'll come out at least. Oops. Alright, I do want that back side down. And all I'm going to do at this time is I'm going to tightly wrap it in foil. And it's going to be in the oven for about 2.5 hours. But I will be back in about 1.5 hours to get started on the scalloped potatoes, because they too need about 1 hour to cook, so I'm going to try and put them all in the oven. So let's get this started and we'll be back shortly. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm getting ready to get stuff started for the scalloped potatoes. I had to dig and find this. This was hidden in the back of my cabinet. I call it my scalloped potato dish. Alright, for this dish you're going to need some potatoes, of course. I'm using Yukon Gold, and Tony's going to peel them, and then I'm going to slice them up thin on the mandolin. I've got an onion that I'm going to mince up in the processor. I've got some all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, and I've got some half and half, but I doubt it's going to be enough, so then I've got the milk. Alright, I'm going to get up here and get these potatoes and onion ready, and we'll be back. Hey guys, I forgot to tell you need 5 tablespoons of butter too. I'm over here at the stove, as you see, and I've got my butter going on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute up my minced onion in here for just a little bit, because this is our sauce that's going over the scalloped potatoes. Now I'm just making plain old simple scalloped potatoes. I'm not adding cheese, I'm not adding ham to it. Whoops. So it's very simple. I'm just going to saute those around. They're not going to need much sauteing because they're so finely minced. I love that little chopper, mini chopper for that. Now I'm also at this time going to add some salt and pepper. Oops, sorry. He's all up in my grill again. Oops. And at this time, I'm also going to add my 5 tablespoons of flour. I am using all-purpose, and I'm just going to stir it around a little bit. Kind of making a light roux, but just getting that flour taste out. And I'm slowly going to add in my milk. I'm starting with 4 cups because I'm not using as many potatoes as they call for, I don't think. And all you're wanting to do is for this to thicken up a little bit. This house is smelling good. Those ribs, whew. This is going to be a good meal. Tony actually had an early day today because of all this rain. Excuse me. And he doesn't have to go in early tomorrow. So, that's why I decided to cook the ribs in the oven instead of the Instant Pot. I don't know about where y'all are, but here in South Carolina, all we got going on is rain. Oh, it rains every day. It's been raining for 2 weeks. We did have a little bit of respite for a couple of hours one day, I think. But with this lazy weather, this makes me lazy. I don't want to do anything. All I want to do is sleep. I think that's why I haven't been feeling real well, just because of this stupid weather. With this meal tonight, I'm having green beans, and I think I got my Southern card back because I got my seasoning meat in there. Got me some turkey wings, smoked turkey wings. You find out I use a lot of smoked turkey wings because they're just as good and they're not as bad for you as the smoked pork. But I still use my pork too, so I'm not totally without sin when it comes to pork. Even though my doctor fusses at me because of my blood pressure. You know what? I got a little tiny bit of onion left. I'm going to add this to my bean greens. Yes, I said bean greens. That's not enough to do anything. But hey, why not add a little bit of flavor? Well, this is like watching paint dry. I've got it turned up. So I'm going to let this thicken up, and then I'm going to meet y'all back at the counter soon, and we will build this scalloped potatoes. See you in a minute. Okay, guys. Now, this isn't going to be thick like gravy. It's just thickened a little bit, but it will thicken up as it cooks in the oven with the potatoes. And I'm going to put half of these potatoes in here now. And I'm going to put, oh Lord, I'm going to make a mess. Half of this on it. Then I'm going to add the rest of the taters. Then pour the rest of this on it. Oops, there I go again. Sorry. Alright, I'm going to stick this in the oven uncovered, and it's going to cook at 350 for about 60 to 70 minutes. So we will be back shortly. Okay guys, I got these out the oven, and I was kind of a little disappointed. They kind of shrunk up, but that's alright. What I'm going to do now is I'm coating this with some barbecue sauce. And my favorite, of course, is Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia Onion. But I'm going to stick this under the broiler for a few minutes. And just let that crispen up a little bit on the barbecue sauce. And we will bring you back. I'll be getting the potatoes out in a minute, too. Okay, I just got my scalloped potatoes out. And I'm getting ready to put my ribs back under the broiler. But this will thicken up whenever it's standing a little bit. So next time you see me, I'll be fixing plates. See you shortly. Okay, guys, I've got my oven baked beef ribs. Hope they're good. They are tender, though. I don't want to leave this sitting anymore. I'm hungry. I'm sure it'll get thicker, but I ain't got time for all that. I am hungry. It is pretty thick, though. I might have added more juice than I was supposed to. And I got my green beans. Tony's on his own tonight. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Don't forget to hit the bell. If you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. Share it on your social media. Help my channel grow. And leave me a comment. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.
Supper's ready?
Mm-hmm.
Supper's ready.